Grafana Online Training Introduction to Grafana Features and Benefits. Grafana is a powerful open source platform for monitoring and observability that allows users to visualize and analyze data through customizable dashboards. Here's an introduction to its key features and benefits. Key features: Customizable dashboards. Grafana provides highly customizable and interactive dashboards. Users can create, modify, and share dashboards with various panels, graphs, tables, heat maps, etc., to visualize their data in meaningful ways. Multi-data source integration. It supports integration with a wide range of data sources, including databases, example MySQL, PostgreSQL, time series databases, example Prometheus, InfluxDB, and various cloud services, example AWS CloudWatch, Azure Monitor. Real-time data monitoring. Grafana excels at visualizing real-time data, making it suitable for monitoring infrastructure, application performance, and operational metrics. Alerting and notifications. Users can set up alerts based on predefined thresholds or conditions. Grafana supports notifications via email, Slack, and other communication channels. Rich visualization options. It offers a wide range of visualization options, including graphs, tables, histograms, heat maps, and more. This flexibility helps in presenting data in the most effective manner. Templating. Grafana supports templating, which allows users to create dynamic and reusable dashboards. Templates can be used to create drop-down menus for selecting variables like regions or time ranges. Annotations. Users can add annotations to graphs to mark specific events or changes in data. This helps in correlating data with external events. Plugins and extensions. Grafana has a rich ecosystem of plugins and extensions that enhance its capabilities. This includes additional data source integrations, new visualization types, and more. User management and access control. It provides features for managing user access and permissions, making it easier to control who can view or edit dashboards and data sources. Benefits. Enhanced data insights. By offering a flexible and interactive way to visualize data, Grafana helps users gain deeper insights and make data-driven decisions. Unified monitoring. Grafana's ability to integrate with various data sources allows for a unified monitoring experience, consolidating data from different systems into a single view. Improved incident response. Real-time monitoring and alerting features help in quickly identifying and responding to issues, reducing downtime and improving operational efficiency. Customizable and scalable. The platform can be tailored to meet specific needs and can scale as data volume and monitoring requirements grow. Creating and customizing dashboards in Grafana. Creating and customizing dashboards in Grafana is a powerful way to visualize and analyze your data. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Set up Grafana. Install Grafana. If you haven't installed Grafana yet, download and install it from the Grafana website. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Start Grafana, run Grafana and access it via HTTP localhost 3000 in your web browser default port. Login. Use the default credentials admin to log in. You'll be prompted to change the password on your first login. 2. Add data sources. Access data sources. Go to the left-hand menu and click on the gear icon, Gear, to access configuration, then select Data Sources. Add data source. Click Add data source. Choose the type of data source you want to connect. Example Prometheus, InfluxDB, MySQL, etc. Configure data source. Fill in the required details, URL, authentication, etc. and click Save and Test to ensure the connection is successful. 3. Create a dashboard. Create a new dashboard. Go to the left-hand menu, click on the plus icon, and select Dashboard. Add a panel. Click Add New Panel to start configuring your first visualization. Configure panel. Select Data Source. Choose the data source you configured earlier. Write query. Use the query editor to define the data you want to visualize. The query syntax will depend on the data source you're using. Choose visualization type. Select the type of visualization you want. Example, graph, gauge, table. Customize panel. General, set the panel title and description. Metrics, refine your queries and metrics. Visualization, adjust visual settings such as axis, legends, and colors. Transformations, apply transformations to modify the data before visualization. Overrides, customize how specific values are displayed. Save panel, click Apply to save your panel to the dashboard. 4. Customize dashboard. Add more panels. Repeat the process of adding and configuring panels to build out your dashboard. Arrange panels. Drag and drop panels to arrange them as desired. Resize panels by dragging the edges. Add rows. Click the Add Row button to create a new row for better organization of panels. Configure dashboard settings. Click on the dashboard title and select Settings to customize the dashboard settings, such as time range, refresh intervals, and more. Save dashboard. Click the disk icon to save your dashboard. Provide a name and optionally add a folder or tags. 5. Share and manage. Share dashboard. Click the Share button, top right corner, to share your dashboard via link or embed code, or to export it as JSON. Manage dashboard. Use the dashboard settings to manage permissions, annotations, and other settings. Set up alerts. You can add alerts to panels by clicking on the Alert tab within the panel editor and configuring alert conditions and notifications. Data sources and integrations with Grafana. Grafana is a popular open source platform for monitoring and observability, allowing you to visualize and analyze data from various sources. Here's an overview of the data sources and integrations available with Grafana. Data sources. Prometheus, a powerful metrics collection and alerting toolkit. Grafana can use Prometheus as a data source to display metrics data in real time. InfluxDB, a time series database designed for high write and query loads. It's often used for monitoring data, and Grafana integrates well with it for visualizing time series data. Elasticsearch, a distributed search and analytics engine. Grafana can connect to Elasticsearch for querying and visualizing log and metrics data. MySQL, a popular relational database. Grafana supports querying MySQL databases to display SQL-based data in various visualizations. PostgreSQL, another popular relational database. Like MySQL, PostgreSQL can be used as a data source for Grafana to display SQL data. Graphite, a monitoring tool that stores numeric time series data. Grafana integrates with Graphite for visualizing time series metrics. Azure Monitor, Azure's native monitoring solution. Grafana can pull data from Azure Monitor for visualization and analysis. Google Cloud Monitoring, formerly Stackdriver, provides monitoring, logging, and diagnostics for Google Cloud resources. Grafana can integrate with Google Cloud Monitoring to visualize cloud data. CloudWatch, Amazon Web Services monitoring service. Grafana can use CloudWatch as a data source to visualize AWS metrics. Loki, Grafana's own log aggregation system. It's designed to work seamlessly with Grafana for log visualization. New Relic provides application performance monitoring and analytics. Grafana can integrate with New Relic to visualize performance data. Jira, issue and project tracking software. Grafana can use Jira as a data source to display and analyze project management data. Integrations. Alerting. Grafana has built-in support for alerting. You can set up alerts based on thresholds and metrics from your data sources and send notifications via various channels like email, Slack, or PagerDuty. Authentication. Grafana supports multiple authentication methods, including LDAP, OAuth, and SAML, to integrate with enterprise identity management systems. Plugins. Grafana has a rich ecosystem of plugins that extend its functionality. You can find plugins for additional data sources, visualizations, and panel types in the Grafana plugin directory. API. Grafana provides a REST API for programmatic access to dashboards, data sources, and other configuration elements. This API can be used to integrate Grafana with other tools and automate tasks. Dashboard sharing. Grafana supports sharing dashboards and panels via links, snapshots, and exporting them as JSON files. This feature facilitates collaboration and integration with other systems. Grafana Cloud. Grafana Cloud offers a hosted version of Grafana with integrations for various data sources and observability tools, making it easier to manage and scale monitoring solutions. Advanced visualization techniques in Grafana. Grafana offers a range of advanced visualization techniques that can help you make the most of your data. Here are some key techniques and features you can leverage. Custom visualizations. Plugins. Grafana supports various plugins for custom visualizations, such as heat maps, geomaps, and pie charts. You can find and install these plugins from the Grafana plugin directory. Grafana Labs Community. Explore community-developed visualizations that may suit your specific needs. Annotations. Event markers. Use annotations to mark specific events on your graphs. This can be helpful for visualizing key incidents or changes in data trends. Time series analysis. Transformations. apply transformations to aggregate, filter, or manipulate time series data. For example, you can use group by functions to aggregate data over time. Predictive analysis. Implement predictive models to forecast future data points based on historical trends. Dashboards and panels. Templating. Use template variables to create dynamic dashboards that allow users to filter and interact with data based on different criteria. Mixed panels. Combine multiple panel types, example graphs, tables, and gauges, on a single dashboard for a comprehensive view. Alerting. Thresholds. Set up alerts based on thresholds to monitor for anomalies or significant changes in your data. Notifications. Configure notifications to be sent via various channels, email, Slack, etc., when alerts are triggered. Query optimizations. Query variables. Use query variables to dynamically change the queries used in your panels based on user input or other parameters. Subqueries. Leverage subqueries to fetch and process data before visualizing it, which can help with complex data scenarios. Advanced graph features. Annotations and overlays. Overlay multiple time series data on the same graph to compare different metrics. Panel links. Add links to other dashboards or external resources for more detailed exploration or contextual information. Custom CSS and JavaScript. Custom styles. Apply custom CSS to tweak the appearance of your Grafana dashboards. JavaScript. Use JavaScript for advanced interactivity or to embed custom visualizations within your panels. Data source integration. Multi-data source dashboards combine data from multiple sources, example Prometheus, Elasticsearch, in a single dashboard to get a holistic view. Data source queries. Fine-tune queries from different data sources to ensure efficient data retrieval and processing. Using Grafana for real-time monitoring and alerting. Grafana is a powerful tool for real-time monitoring and alerting. Here's a guide to setting up and using Grafana for these purposes. 1. Installation and setup. Install Grafana. Download and install Grafana from the official website. It's available for various operating systems. Start Grafana. Once installed, start Grafana and access the web interface at HTTP localhost 3000 default port. 2. Connecting data sources. Add data sources. Go to the Grafana dashboard, navigate to Configuration, Data Sources, and add the data sources you need, example Prometheus, InfluxDB, Elasticsearch, etc. Configure data sources. Set up your data sources by providing necessary connection details and authentication. 3. Creating dashboards. Create a dashboard. Click on the plus icon in the left menu and select Dashboard. Add new panels to visualize your data. Add panels. Choose the type of visualization you need, example, graphs, tables, gauges, and configure the queries to pull data from your data sources. Customize panels. Configure panel settings such as titles, access labels, and display options to tailor the visualization to your needs. 4. Real-time monitoring. Refresh rates. Set the refresh rate for your panels to update data in real time. This can be done in the dashboard settings. Use variables. Create variables to make your dashboards more dynamic. Variables allow users to filter and interact with the data in real time. 5. Setting up alerts. Configure alerts. Go to the panel where you want to set up alerts, click on the Alert tab, and configure alert rules based on your data. Define conditions. Set conditions for when an alert should trigger. This includes defining thresholds and evaluation intervals. Notification channels. Configure notification channels, example email, Slack, PagerDuty, under alerting notification channels. Set up how and where alerts should be sent. 6. Managing and monitoring alerts. Alert list. Access the alerting alert list to view and manage all your alerts. This provides an overview of triggered alerts and their statuses. Alert history. Review alert history to understand past incidents and patterns. 7. Advanced features. Anomaly detection. Use built-in features or plugins to set up anomaly detection if your use case involves identifying unusual patterns in your data. Custom alerts. Leverage Grafana's support for custom alerting plugins to extend functionality if needed. 8. Security and access control. User roles. Manage user roles and permissions to control access to dashboards and alert configurations. This can be done under Configuration, Users. Secure access. Ensure Grafana is secured with proper authentication and access controls, especially if exposing it over the Internet. Security and access control in Grafana. Grafana offers a range of features for security and access control to ensure that your dashboards and data remain secure. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. 1. Authentication. Grafana supports several authentication methods. Internal authentication. Users can be managed directly within Grafana. OAuth integrates with third-party identity providers like Google, GitHub, and Microsoft. LDAP integrates with LDAP servers for authentication. SAML supports single sign-on SSO via SAML. 2. Authorization. Grafana uses roles and permissions to control access. Org admins full access to all features and settings within an organization. Editors can create and edit dashboards but cannot manage users or settings. Viewers can view dashboards but cannot make changes. Permissions can be fine-tuned at the folder level. Dashboard permissions, specific permissions, view, edit, can be assigned to individual dashboards. Folder permissions allows setting permissions for all dashboards within a folder. 3. Teams and users. Teams can be created to group users together and assign permissions at the team level, simplifying management. User management. Admins can add, remove, and manage user roles and permissions from the Grafana UI. 4. Data source permissions. Data source access permissions can be configured to control which users or teams have access to specific data sources. 5. Security practices. Secure communication. Ensure that Grafana is configured to use HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. Regular updates. Keep Grafana and its plugins up to date to benefit from the latest security patches. Minimal privileges. Follow the principle of least privilege by granting users only the permissions they need. 6. Audit logging. Activity logs. Grafana maintains logs of user activities, which can be useful for monitoring and auditing access. Grafana plugins and extensions, enhancing functionality. Grafana plugins and extensions can significantly enhance its functionality by adding new features, integrating with different data sources, and improving visualization capabilities. Here's an overview of some key plugins and extensions you might find useful. 1. Data source plugins. These plugins allow Grafana to connect to various data sources beyond the built-in ones. Prometheus, for monitoring and alerting with time series data. InfluxDB, for time series database integration. Elasticsearch, for full-text search and analytics. Graphite, for time series data monitoring. MySQL PostgreSQL, for relational database integration. 2. Visualization plugins. Enhance the types of visualizations available in Grafana. Grafana Pie Chart adds pie chart visualizations. Heat map panel visualize data density over time. World map panel displays data on geographical maps. Status panel shows status indicators for system health. 3. Alerting plugins. Improve alerting capabilities and integrations. PagerDuty integrates with PagerDuty for incident management. OpsGenie integrates with OpsGenie for alerting and incident management. Slack sends alerts to Slack channels. 4. Panel plugins. Extend the types of panels available for dashboards. Node Graph displays network nodes and their connections. Discrete panel shows discrete state changes in a time series. Sankey diagram visualize flow and relationships in data. 5. App plugins. Bundle a set of dashboards and panels specific to a technology or use case. Kubernetes provides dashboards and monitoring for Kubernetes clusters. Elasticsearch includes predefined dashboards for Elasticsearch monitoring. CloudWatch offers dashboards for AWS CloudWatch metrics. 6. Authentication and security plugins. Enhance authentication and security features. OAuth integrates with OAuth providers for authentication. LDAP adds support for LDAP authentication. 7. Utility plugins. Offer additional tools and integrations. Grafana Loki for log aggregation and analysis. Why choose ProExcellency Fort Grafana online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Grafana online training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often employs experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of Grafana. They can provide practical insights and real-world examples to enhance your learning experience. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program typically covers a wide range of topics, from basic to advanced Grafana features, including dashboard creation, data visualization, and integrations with various data sources. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency usually emphasizes practical, hands-on experience. You can expect to work on real-world scenarios and projects to apply what you've learned. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency often provides flexibility in terms of scheduling and access to course materials. This can be beneficial if you have a busy schedule. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, Pro Excellency's courses might include preparation materials and practice exams to help you succeed. Support and resources. Pro Excellency typically offers ongoing support and resources such as forums or Q&A sessions to assist you with any challenges you encounter during the course. Reputation and reviews. Pro Excellency might have positive reviews and a strong reputation in the industry, indicating a high level of satisfaction among past students. Thank you.